You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Hello my sweet friends and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well today guys I'm going to share a video with you all of some DIY projects that I recently did around my home. And the first one we're going to start off with guys is this DIY doll's house that I'm going to turn into a birdhouse that I thrifted for just $5. I hope you enjoy. Now guys, whilst out thrifting, I come across this beautiful doll's house. It was so adorable guys and I absolutely loved it. And I had a wonderful idea in mind to give it a little makeover. Now it was such a well-made piece, but obviously it looked very doll's house. Now I absolutely love the colour baby blue guys, and what I did is I just painted completely over the design in this beautiful baby blue. Now this blue is a beautiful colour match from a piece of my home decor, and I've got this colour throughout my home. Now this doll's house was so well built, and when I seen it in store I was like, this would be the most prettiest birdhouse. Now after 2 coats, my husband found a post and we concreted it into the ground and placed the birdhouse on top.
It doesn't even make sense. Why I think about you.
Now I will come back to the birdhouse, but I then moved on to my second DIY. We have this little piece of concrete in front of our garden shed, and a few years ago I stenciled it, but I wanted to give it a new makeover guys with that beautiful blue.
I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now, and it could fade away.
Now after giving it a very good clean down off camera, I went in and gave 2 coats onto the concrete in that beautiful blue.
And maybe I'll drown.
Then taking some white paint and this gorgeous stencil that I picked up off Temu, I then placed the design over the top and I gave it 2 coats.
So I'm gonna dive into you.
So now we're heading back inside for DIY number 3, and it involves this barn door. Now I wanted to share a little story with you. I was recently in Bunnings looking for a post for that birdhouse, and Bunnings have a section of heavily reduced items. I happened to notice this beautiful barn door, and it was marked down to $160. Now guys, if you go on their website, it retails for over $500, and I was just in love with the size and style of it. Now you can imagine our delight when the cashier informed us that it had actually been marked down to $100. My hubby and I were so excited. It was funny because we went in there for a post and came home with a post and a barn door.
So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you.
Now we had absolutely no idea where we were going to put this. It certainly wasn't on the project list, but I came up with the idea that I really wanted it in the living room so it was visible, and the entryway to my laundry is actually a pocket door, so we decided to just place it over the top of the pocket door, and I just love how it looks.
Only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into you. And it will be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
So guys, now we're heading back to Bunnings for our fourth and final DIY. I was picking up some of this dressed pine so my hubby could create me a DIY plate rack.
That flare of light you see when it gets dark. I'm not a knight in shining armor, and I'm sure as hell not a savior when you need me to be. I'm not that flare of light you see when it gets.
So I had this little area of my kitchen that we had already shiplapped a few years ago, and I wanted to create a DIY plate rack. So off camera I filled up the holes, guys, and my hubby decided to create me a frame around the shiplap. So he started to create it with our measurements, and what he's doing here, guys, is it's almost like a ladder. So you're basically making a frame, and then you're making the little slats on the inside that are actually going to hold the plates. So once we placed the plate rack on the wall, we secured it in place with some small brackets. So off camera, I ended up going in with some peel and stick wallpaper added to the backdrop, and my husband took a shelf that I had from Kmart and we took the scalloped edge, and it was the exact fit, guys, to make a decorative trim at the top. Now on the side of the plate rack, guys, I wanted to show you that I also used this peel and stick decorative trim. It's just a peel and stick trim from Temu that I absolutely love using on my DIY projects.
I can climb no mountains for you, my love. I can climb no mountains or swim in cold water.
So guys, leave me a comment down below which was your favourite DIY.
I could probably use some heartbreak to get moving. Tired of the way you let me down. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. So, all my time, oh, don't try. I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is for my time. I don't know which way I'm going. I don't need to, as long as I don't have to stay with you. You fill me up with
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed coming along with me with my DIY projects.
me down. So, all my time.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back this Friday for another video here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.